neighbor's yard. Okay, we got him. I gotta get him out Tristan's yard.
Huh?
I gotta get him out Tristan's yard.
You already recorded?
Yeah. It's his daddy. You dude. Please don't be alive. Please. Okay, come on. Okay. Let's look at our kill. Here he is.
We're gonna hit him. Right there, maybe.
Where'd you try?
I don't know.
Up.
Is that it? Where?
Huh?
Where I hit it?
Huh. Boop shoot.
There's feathers. Right here somewhere.
Here, look under its wing.
I don't see it. I probably hit it right in the center. Look at it. Right there is where I hit it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Hold on.
Because it's all ruffled up. Right there, because look at the feathers coming off.
Here, flick it, like move his feathers.
Right there. Yeah, it went in right there. Because it's all...
Got him!
Yeah, buddy, that's a big bird.